Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Michael. Your helping maestro. What will you learn in this video? After installing DNS Server in Windows Server 2008 R2, you may now proceed to install DHCP Server. If you're new here, now's a great time to subscribe. Open Initial Configuration Task Form. To start the DHCP installation process, click Add Roles. Click Next to skip before you begin page. On the Select Server Roles page, go ahead and place a check next to DHCP Server in the list, then you can click Next. Click Next to skip Introduction to DHCP Server. On the Select Network Connection Binding page, click Next to continue. On IPv4 DNS setting, check the parent domain and click Next to continue. Click Next. On next screen, click Add and then type name of the scope. Next, enter the first address that you want available to clients to use. Enter last address that you want available to client to use and click OK to continue. Click Next. Check Disable IPv6 for your DHCP server and click Next to continue. Choose Use Current Credentials and click Next. Click Next to install. Click on Close button. That's it, we're done. You can now add organizational unit and users that I will demonstrate in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.